This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Veronica Campbell. Own a piece of paradise in a neighborhood with a boat ramp. This is very affordable way you can enjoy beautiful Lemon Bay and the Gulf of Mexico. Rarely available income 2-unit duplex for sale. Each unit is 775 square feet under air with 2 bedrooms 1 bath, screened lanai, outside laundry room, large backyard. Overbrook Gardens is a neighborhood of homes either on the water or close to it with only a few multi-unit properties. This one is available now but not for long. Owner describes property as cash cow with long-term renters. Never a problem finding renters for these units. New fence on south side and backyard has an attractive wall put in by the Voluntary HOA with low fees of $75 annually. 5 minutes from beautiful Manasota Beach. Desirable location convenient to boating, fishing, swimming, golf, shopping and entertainment. Area has great restaurants and activities to suit all interests. Both units repiped with newer plumbing fixtures. Built-up roof recoated, HVAC cleaned and freon added. New lanai fans installed. New electrical power boxes will be installed and grounded in June 2022. Don't miss this opportunity to own a property in one of the most desirable areas in Florida. Recent improvements on 1943, December 2020 water heater, April 2022 interior painted with HGTV Sherwin Williams paint, ceiling fans bedrooms, new fixtures, rescreen lanai, screen handles, front exterior lights, interior doors and locks, changed screen door handles. New blinds except front. HVAC had new air handler fan, thermostat, reconditioned stove installed. Recent improvements on 1941, November 2017 kitchen counters, backsplash, sinks, faucets, rescreen lanai, new front door, lock, November 2021 new water heater. For more information, review the details below.